Hello all, welcome to my channel Education Art and Craft. Today I am going to tell you a speech on Viksit Bharat 2047. Before beginning with the video, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss my new video updates. Let's begin. Viksit Bharat 2047 speech. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Our India, a land of dreams, courage, and endless possibilities. Today, I am going to talk about one such beautiful dream. Viksit Bharat 2047, which means developed India by the year 2047, when our country will celebrate 100 years of independence. This is not just a government plan, it's a national mission that belongs to each one of us. This vision is not just about buildings or technology. It's about making India strong, self-reliant, and full of opportunities for everyone. It's a mission to make our nation a place where every person can live with pride and happiness. The idea of Viksit Bharat 2047 is based on four main pillars. First, Yuva, meaning youth. The young people of India will shape our future. Their ideas, energy, and hard work will make our country stronger. Second, poor, meaning Garib. Every poor person should get a chance to live a good life with respect and comfort. Third, woman, meaning Mahilai. Women are the pride of our nation. When women move forward, the whole country moves forward. Fourth, farmers, meaning Annadata. Farmers are our food providers. If they are happy and successful, our nation will also grow. Friends, a developed India means a country where every child gets good education, every youth gets a job, every woman feels safe, and every farmer lives with dignity. Let's take a small step today for a big chance tomorrow, because the future of India is not something we wait for. It's something we create together. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.